I am Dr. Gurneet Singh Sahani, and I am the Director of Stereotaxy and Functional Neurosurgery at Fortis Hospital, Mulund, Mumbai. So आज मैं आपके साथ एक केस डिस्कस करना चाहता हूँ. मेजर तेजवंत बेवली. He came with me with severe pain in both of his lower limbs from half part of the body. He had severe intractable pain. शुरुआत ऐसे हुई कि he had chikungunya infection about 2 years back, जिसके बाद he developed paralysis of both of his legs, for which he was under treatment of a neurologist. He received immunoglobulins, and slowly he started improving, gaining his power with rehabilitation. But he started having severe pain, and when the pain started, his progress stopped. He was not able to do his regular exercises, for which he took multiple treatments, and then he came to our hospital for the further treatment. Now, when we evaluated him, the first step is to find out the cause, for which our neurologist had evaluated him completely by doing a repeat MRI. We did a CSF, जो पानी होता है ब्रेन का, वो चेक किया, सब किया, and we were not. And when we found out that this is an pain which cannot be treated by treating the cause, because this is probably a neuropathic pain, then we decided the treatment called spinal cord stimulation. Now, इसमें हम क्या करते हैं, spinal cord में जहाँ से पेन हो रहा है उसके ऊपर we keep this stimulator and we provide a current through it, which modulates the pain. So patient को पेन फील नहीं होता. ये सब उनके लिए, उस पेन के लिए किया जाता है जो पेन का इलाज नहीं है, where the pain is too severe and doesn't get improved with medications. So first step is when we give the trial. So when I did the trial in Major Bavely, his pain significantly reduced to the extent of 70 to 80%. So that's a very, very good improvement. So what we saw that previously that he was not able to get up because of the pain, he was used to struggle because of the pain continuously. He started getting up. So this trial period stays for about 3 to 4 days, and in that we found out that he is definitely improving. So we implanted the battery inside, and we did a complete surgery. Now, after the surgery is done, he has improved significantly. His pain is almost gone. He told me before going home that he has got zero pain. That's a very good thing. So overall, this spinal cord stimulation is a very good surgery for patients who have got unreasonable intractable pain, जिसका cause नहीं है, and patients become better. You start living a normal life and start doing your rehabilitation and other things which had completely stopped. So I always tell this to all my patients, that sometimes the pain is inevitable, but suffering is optional. तो ये ऑपरेशन हमारी सफरिंग को खत्म कर देता है और पेशेंट ठीक हो जाता है. So that is what I wanted to share with you today. Thank you very much.